Sold a brand new Aorus PSU pero malungkot bakit binenta ng owner. This is Parts for Cash, PC Sunday, where we share stories galing sa second-hand list namin. Makikita mo yung list dito. Kung Hardware Sugar customer ka, you can send us any component at kami na ang mag-aasikaso para mabenta. Lahat inaasikaso namin, marketing, pagsagot sa mga inquiry, technical questions about the item, demoing the item kung kailangan, lahat. Seller used to own a small PC shop but it closed. And I get it, brutal tong business na to. I've sometimes thought about closing kasi grabe talaga yung expenses, even for a one-branch shop like us. Sakit sa ulo. Anyway, that's why the PSU was brand new. I'm guessing it was unsold stock. We sold the PSU and owner used it to buy some upgrades from us.
Walang cut, walang kaltas, walang kita ang Hardware Sugar sa second-hand sales. Every cent goes to the seller.
I guess if you used to own a PC shop and choose to buy from us, it's a reflection of your assessment na we're an honest store. See you again next week for another PC Sunday.